Hey everyone, this is a short tutorial to show you how you can log into Brainfuse and take advantage of all the great tutoring resources they have online. So you have access to this through the Santa Clara County Library, and we have a card for you. If you scroll down from our library site, you'll see your username is right here. S plus your student ID, that's the 1000 ID, plus MVLA. And then your PIN is the 4 digits of your birth month and day. So, for example, May 1st would be 0501. So you need to know this because when we log into the Santa Clara County Library here, you're going to need to know that information. So here's the Santa Clara County Library. And this is their sort of landing page. We're just going to go straight to middle or high school. And you can see all the sort of resources that they have here. We're going to look at homework tutoring. And this is where you can see Brainfuse and you get a short tutorial of what it is and how it works. But we're going to click on this link right here. And it's going to ask you to sign in. So this is where you put in that S plus your student ID, the 1000 number, MBLA, and then your PIN to log in. And you'll be taken to this page. So now you're logged into the Santa Clara County Library, but you're not logged into Brainfuse. And so you need to create an account on Brainfuse as well. And so what you want to do is do login, and then down here, don't have a username or password, sign up. So this is where you want to click on. So you're going to click here, and it's going to ask you to sign up with a username or password. I just use the same login for Santa Clara County, just to keep it the same, but you could do any username or password you wanted. So since I've already created an account on Brainfuse, I'm going to just enter in my username and password here to log in, and that will give me access to everything on this page. So you can see I'm logged in just from here. And this is where I can start to look at all the great things that they have access. So live tutoring link is right here. And this is where they'll ask you a few questions and then you can get some live help. If you've got a paper, you can use the writing lab here and get feedback on your paper. And so take some time and just kind of explore this. They've got a lot of great resources here for you.